Warning, these oatmeal Snickerdoodles are dangerously addictive. You've been warned. Hey baking friends, remember being a kid and having to choose between oatmeal cookies and Snickerdoodle cookies? Well, I've solved that problem forever. Today we're making ultimate hybrid cookies that combines the best of both worlds into one incredible bite. But first I'm going to show you this weird little trick that makes all the difference. Trust me on this one, it's a game changer for texture. So here's what you'll need. Rolled oats, all-purpose flour, and the secret to that classic Snickerdoodle tang, cream of tartar, brown sugar, white sugar, butter, eggs, and vanilla. Simple ingredients for fantastic results. First, let's preheat the oven to 350 degrees and get our dry ingredients ready. In a large bowl, whisk together the oats, flour, baking soda, baking powder, cream of tartar, salt, and cinnamon. Now for the magic. We're going to cream this butter and sugar mixture for a full 5 minutes. Yes, 5 minutes. This is what creates that perfect texture. Room temperature butter with both brown sugar and white sugar. The brown sugar adds chewiness and the white sugar adds the crispy edges we love. See how it's getting pale and fluffy? That's exactly what we want. This creaming process is creating thousands of tiny air bubbles. That's what gives us the perfect cookie texture. Add the vanilla extract and the eggs, one at a time. Scrape down the sides. We want everything perfectly incorporated. Look how the mixture changes from pale yellow to rich and creamy. This is going to be the base that holds all those beautiful oats together. And here's where the patience pays off. We're adding our dry ingredients in 3 batches. This prevents overmixing and keeps our cookies tender. Just 30 seconds between each addition. See how the dough comes together? Those oats are going to give us an amazing texture and that hearty, satisfying bite. Notice how I'm just mixing to combine. Overmixing makes tough cookies. While the dough rests, let's make our cinnamon sugar coating. 2 teaspoons of cinnamon and half a cup of sugar. This coating is what transforms these oatmeal cookies into Snickerdoodles. Look at that beautiful color. You can already smell the cinnamon spice. And now for the most satisfying part. Large ice cream scoop for bakery style cookies. Or you could use a large tablespoon and just dollop it out. Roll them around until they're completely coated. Watch how the cinnamon sugar clings to every surface. Each cookie gets its own little cinnamon sugar jacket. This coating will create that signature Snickerdoodle flavor and those beautiful cracked tops that when they bake. Into the 350 degree oven they go. Look at that texture. Chewy from the oats, crispy edges from the technique, and that cinnamon sugar coating. This is why I can't make just one batch. These cookies literally solve that age-old debate. You don't have to choose anymore. The kosher salt trick keeps them from spreading too much, and the 5-minute creaming time creates a perfect texture balance. So what's your favorite, oatmeal cookies or Snickerdoodles? Let me know in the comments below. And if you love cookies that break all the rules, hit the subscribe button for more delicious baking recipes. Happy baking, friends.